Ping is a tool used to test whether or not a host is reachable across an IP network. Ping works by sending ICMP echo request packets to the target host and listening for ICMP echo response replies. Using interval timing and response rate, Ping estimates the round-trip time and packet loss rate between hosts. The ping command sends one datagram per second and prints one line of output for each of those. The host parameter is either a valid host name or an internet address. Common uses for ping are to verify your computer's connectivity to a router, to verify network activity, and to test whether or not a particular computer is available on the network. Let's see how the ping command works using a Windows machine. Firstly, I'm going to ping localhost 127.0.0.1, which is always the computer that you're working on. So the command ping 127.0.0.1. The ICMP packet size is 32 bytes. We see that reflected. Quite interesting here. Packet sent 4, received 4, lost 0, which is a 0% loss. Minimum round trip time is 0 milliseconds. Maximum is 0 milliseconds, giving us an average of 0 milliseconds. This makes complete sense because I didn't actually send anything across the network. Also note please that the TTL or time to live is 128. I'll explain what that is in a moment. Let's ping something over the network. Who shall we do? Let's try Apple. Apple.com. You can see I can use a domain name. I get the IP address 92.123.213.15. Here we see something a little more interesting. I've sent 4 packets and received 4 back again, so my loss is again 0%. The round trip time is an average of 46 milliseconds, with the minimum round trip time being 43 milliseconds and the maximum being 57 milliseconds. You'll notice now that the time to live TTL has dropped to 60. Every IP packet that gets sent out has a TTL or time to live field. In Windows it's set to 128. As the packet traverses the network, the TTL field gets decreased by 1 by each router it goes through. When the TTL drops to 0, the packet is discarded by the router. The main purpose of this is so that a packet doesn't live forever on the network. The TTL in ping can be used to determine approximately how many router hops the packet has gone through. If the TTL field varies in successive pings, it could indicate that the successive reply packets are coming via different routes. We can see when I pinged Apple, the TTL is 60, so approximately 68 routers have been traversed when I pinged Apple. This makes complete sense because I'm pinging from South Africa, and I'm assuming that Apple is based somewhere in the USA. Thank you.